Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Kentucky sales tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Kentucky sales tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in secure2.kentucky.government and make a search. It will take you to the login page of your Kentucky sales tax account. Enter your username and password associated with your Kentucky sales tax account and tap on Login. Tick mark on the box that says Stay logged in case if you want your ID to be logged in next time you sign into your account. In case if you don't remember your username, tap on Request Username option. In case if you don't remember your password, tap on the link that says Reset Password. This is how you can log into your Kentucky sales tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.